Welcome to number family. We're gonna put these numbers in the group where they belong to, in the family where they belong to. Remember, we're in Algebra 1, all these numbers in the real number family. Alright, let's look at, is this irrational number? We all know and we love number. It says pi because it can go in. Oh, run out of space, we know it's keep going. And some people can memorize up to 100, 200 places after the decimal point. But most of the time, we just say it's about 3.14 because we don't know what's gonna come next. And it's just gonna keep going on forever. Numbers like this, called irrational numbers, does not stop, does not repeat. Therefore, 0.3, that's not a rational number. If you are not irrational, you will be rational. Remember? Alright? Negative square root 8. Remember, if you are not irrational, you're not rational. Which means if you are not rational, you will be irrational. Keep going on and not repeating. Negative 15. Not irrational. Therefore, you are rational. Square root of 49. Square root of 49 is 7, right? That is a whole number. That's not a irrational number. So we're going to finish this. You are a rational and you are a integer and you are a whole number. I go back to 15. Negative 15. We did not finish that. Negative 15 is integer. Remember, it's not a whole number. It's just integer. All right? Okay. We check here. Real number, irrational, we're done. We check here. We have a real number. We have rational number. Now, we completed this number family. Happy learning.